Hainan Gibbon, Hainan Peacock-Pheasant, Hainan Partridge, Hainan Cave Gecko, Hainan Knobby Newt and Hainan Odorrana Frog are all unique to Hainan. Hainan has a unique animal and plant species and a germplasm gene bank not only endemic to the island, but also to the whole of China and the rest of the world. It is a treasure house of tropical biodiversity and genetic resources. In Hainan, there are 704 species of wild animals, including 48 species subject to first-class protection, 167 species subject to second-class protection, 37 species endemic to China, and 32 species endemic to Hainan. About 1 million years ago, Hainan Island was connected to the Leizhou Peninsula of Guangdong. Due to the subsidence of the Earth's crust and the resulting rise in sea water, the Chongzhou Strait was formed and Hainan became a continental island. Long-term geographic isolation has resulted in reproductive isolation and has formed interspecific differentiation, leading to the formation of Hainan's endemic species. In the National Park of Hainan Tropical Rainforest, there live many amphibians and reptiles peculiar to Hainan, such as the Hainan pseudo-moustache toad, the Hainan torrent frog, the little torrent frog, fine-spined frog, Hainan odorous frog, fragile large-headed frog, the Yingling tree frog, Hainan cave gecko, and the Bawanling cave gecko. There are 21 species of geckos recorded worldwide, 12 of which are in China, including 4 that are endemic to Hainan, such as Hainan cave gecko, Bawanling cave gecko, Zhou's leopard gecko, and Chinese leopard gecko. Geckos live on small arthropods and are mostly distributed in volcanic rock areas, as well as being found in karst areas. Their habitats are fragmented due to natural interference or human activities. Geckos like a cold and humid environment and sleep in the daytime and get up at night. They crawl with their bodies and limbs suspended over the ground, a posture which can be awe-inspiring. Their domineering appearance is in great contrast to their docile temperament. Indigenous to the mountains of central Hainan, the Hainan Knobby Newt belongs to the newt family of the Amphibia Caudata salamandridae and is the only tailed amphibian unique to Hainan. The Hainan Knobby Newt is 15 centimeters long, has a broad head and a brown or black back densely covered with warts. It has 14 to 16 round swirl-in areas on each side of its body and a constricted striation on the chest and abdomen. The Hainan Knobby Newt lives in evergreen broad-leaved forests in mountainous areas at altitudes between 600 and 1700 meters. They live in deciduous forests or in the damp roots of plants. After breeding, adult salamanders live on land and feed on earthworms, slugs, and other tiny animals. They behave like geckos and act like lizards. The National Park of Hainan Tropical Rainforest is an important habitat for these endemic species. Protecting these endemic species means protecting the biodiversity of Hainan's tropical rainforest.